In the movie The Founder, which is about the founding of McDonald's in the 1950s, the two brothers that started the business are out on a tennis court. They're using chalk to mark out the optimum layout of their kitchen. And they had their staff moving around the chalk markings on the tennis court, acting out their cooking duties. And they did this a bunch of times. They're rubbing out the chalk and redrawing it and testing all different layouts. And they're trying to find the optimum layout to achieve their goal. And their goal was speed. What the McDonald brothers were designing was a system for delivering food in 30 seconds instead of 30 minutes, which was the sort of standard at the time. And of course, they were wildly successful. There's a lesson in there for all of us business owners. It's important to figure out that thing, that characteristic that your business is going to be known for, and then design that into every aspect of your service delivery. Now, for home service businesses, speed might be important for an emergency type service, but there are other characteristics that can be built into a business and other characteristics to be known for that act as a competitive advantage and set your business apart from everybody else's. So another characteristic you might design for is predictability and certainty. We have clients who build predictability and certainty into everything they do. So they have a set booking time, not a 2-hour window or a 4-hour window, but an actual set time. They use systems that notify the customer when the technician is 30 minutes away, again when they're 5 minutes away. They offer fixed upfront pricing so the customer knows exactly what the job's going to cost. Let's try to build predictability into every aspect of their service delivery. For other businesses, it might be something else. It might be technical expertise. We've got a client who installs tennis courts and sports fields. And it's really important to get the drainage right, the foundation of the court or the field right, and then put the artificial turf over the top. And if you get that wrong, if you're incompetent, it can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars to repair. So they really build their business around technical expertise and competence. A third characteristic could be customer service and empathy. There's a plumbing business in Brisbane, very rapidly growing, and they build their entire offering, their entire service around customer service and really connecting with their customer at a personal level. So the technicians are trained to go into the home and try and connect with the customer. Talk about the house, talk about the family, talk about the pets. They are there to deliver 5-star service, no matter what. If it means that the business loses money on the job to make something right, then that's what they will do. And finally, they send a handwritten thank you note and a gift to every single customer. But that has resulted in a really high repeat customer rate and very high average ticket value. So whatever the core characteristic is for your business, it might not be the same as McDonald's speed, but that thing that sets you apart from the competition. Take a leaf out of the McDonald's brothers book and do the equivalent of that tennis court exercise. Pull apart the service, look at every single aspect of it, and figure out how you can redesign it to achieve your goal that sets you apart from everybody else. So look, the movie's The Founder. It's on Stan at the moment. I watched it again on the weekend. Hope you enjoy it.